Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Nano Banana to generate product photos, lifestyle shots, flat lays, and all that stuffs. So basically for photography. So, by the way, Nano Banana is an AI powered product photography tool. And so basically you will just have to go to your AI image and go to image, and what you will have to do is basically upload a photo of your product and choose a layout or scene, and the AI transforms it into professional product shots with real shadows, reflections, props and backgrounds and all that stuffs. So again, of course, you have to make sure that you've already logged into your account before doing this. And what you will have to do is basically just upload your image, you will basically just choose your product photo and wait for Nano Banana to detect the shape. And by choosing the scene or the template for product photography, you should make sure that it's clean and it is perfect for catalogs. And for the lifestyle scenes, make sure that it's about beaches, it's about cafe or home office and something like that. So yeah, just click on the template and the AI will automatically place your product inside the scene. So these are the inspirations that you could actually learn more about. And yeah, that's basically just it. And describe how you can transform your image. For example, if you want the sky to be a little more blue, then say it here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then you will just have to click generate so that you will be able um, to get the output. And yeah, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.